In this video we will be creating and customizing our own hatch pattern, and utilizing the SuperHatch function in LusoCAD 2024. Firstly, we will create a new drawing to convert into a block for a hatch pattern. We will create a square with a 100 by 100 dimension. Next we will rotate it by 45 degrees. We will now add arches to the drawing using the Start, End, Radius option in the Arc menu. Each arc will have a radius of 100, and start from each corner to the opposite corner of the rectangle. We will convert this drawing into a block using the Create Block command in the Insert menu. Here you can input the block name and will choose the base point, which will be in the middle of the drawing. Select the object in the Object section. We will click the Delete option to have the object be deleted after the selection. The block has been created. Next we will create a rectangle with dimensions of 1000 by 1000. This rectangle will be filled with the pattern just created. We go to the Express menu and select SuperHatch. We'll be using block. The previously created block is automatically selected. We accept. Choose any point inside the rectangle for the insertion point. For the Y and X scale factor, choose 1 for each, and 0 for the rotating angle. Next, choose the points of the pattern, click each opposing corner of the drawing and click Enter. We are now prompted to click where to input the hatch pattern. Click anywhere inside the rectangle. And the hatch pattern is now visible.